So let's think of scientific notation as kind of a game called payback. We know that that decimal's not in the right place. We need to write a number. Well, we know we need the 4. Oh, I can't even see that. Make that a little bigger here. Sorry. Try that. We need the 4. And we need the 8. And we need the 3. However, decimal's in the wrong place. So we need to park our dot, put the decimal right here, right after the 4. Okay? Now, we compare these two numbers. We see that we've moved the decimal one place. I think everybody gets that. But now we have to multiply it by 10 to the 1. But wait a minute. Is that going to be a positive 1 or a negative 1? So you compare the two numbers. The positive 1 would make this number bigger. Multiplying this number by 10 would make it bigger. Exactly. We're done. Here's another one, 383. So we know we need the 3 and the 8 and the 3. And we don't like where the decimal is. We want the decimal here, after the 3. Here's the ones place, right there. Now, we know that we've just moved that decimal 2 places. Okay, we've multiplied we've moved the decimal 2 places, so we know it's 10 to the 2 for the 2 places. Question is it positive 2 or negative 2? So we compare. Multiplying this number by 10 twice would make a bigger number. Perfect. Let's look at this one. We want the 3 and the 5, don't care much about the 0. So let's write the 3 and the 5. Again, we got to park our dot in the right spot. And we can see the decimal is 1 place difference. Okay, so let's count on having 10 to the first power again. Now, is the 1 going to be positive? Do we have a positive exponent or a negative exponent? Let's compare. This is a small number. If we multiply this by 10, we're going to get 35. That's not right. Decimal's negative, or the exponent's negative. Let's look at this one. We don't care about the 0. Let's get the 7785 out of here. There we go. Sorry about that. And we need the decimal right after the 7, between the 7s. Now, we know we have to multiply it by 10 for scientific notation. How many places did we move the decimal? 1, 2. We moved it 2 places. So we have a second power. But we have to decide whether that second power is a positive or a negative. Okay, if I multiply this by 10 twice, that's really a mess. Let's see if I can do better. If I multiply that by 10 twice, oh my, that would be a big number. That would be 778. Wrong. We don't want a big number. It's going to be negative.